Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by linking your platform accounts to your Activision profile. This centralizes identity and enables cross-platform sync. Once done, prepare a square JPG or PNG under 2 MB and 400 x 400 pixels or larger so the game doesn't reject it. Next, open Call of Duty and go directly to Account or Profile Settings. From there, choose Upload Avatar or Sync Avatar. This starts the actual transfer. You do this because the Activision layer distributes the image to each platform rather than each platform having separate images. Once you've selected the image, use the Activision Web Uploader for precise cropping and to ensure the avatar meets size rules. This prevents in-game distortions. After saving, make sure platform-specific avatar overrides are disabled so Activision's image takes precedence. If the game still shows the old picture, clear the game cache or log out and back in to force a refresh. This step ensures the service refreshes stored assets and propagates the new avatar across servers and platforms. Finish by restarting Call of Duty and viewing your profile in lobbies and menus to confirm the new picture appears. Make sure to wait up to 30 minutes for server propagation. Sometimes changes take time to reach all regions. If the image still doesn't update, try uploading a slightly different file or unlinking and relinking the platform account to force a reset. Key troubleshooting tip: clear the console or PC cache and relaunch. If that fails, contact Activision support and provide your CID for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.